Hello, this is Mimi Craig, and there's the end result of the put together pieces, and that's what it looks like. I messed up over here a little bit. It was off a bit, and this actually has a little latch where it snaps. You can hear the little snap on both ends. It snaps, so it holds up. And when you want to unsnap it, you just collapse, and then it's supposed to swing inside of it and close all together like that. But that's it. I built it. It's there. That's it. Pretty much. I put some of these for the holes. Previous holes were. Now that's for the tape of the insulation, just to cover that. And also in there where I had gone off a bit, but nonetheless everything looks good. I might have put this one a little bit higher than the other one, that piece right there. So because when I noticed it when I enclose it, see this edge right there, there's a little crack open. It's not supposed to do that. It's supposed to shut all the way like that other end. You see how the other end at the tip is completely closed. This one's supposed to be the same, but it's a little open. Well, I think it's good enough as long as it doesn't get wet in there. That's what matters. And cycling off. I know how to build the next one now, and the next one I have 2 more of those boxes I have to build. And sign Queen off, Matico Bliss, Veggie Bliss, Petixiana from us, Teach me to be vegan. We're ever so grateful Matico, Follow Queen us to be Matico's all saves. If I natural Mati other Mati and of us say woman or citizen.